Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Scribble in iPad settings. This lets your Apple Pencil convert handwriting into text across apps. Make sure your pencil is paired and charged, then open Notability and create or open a note so you can test immediately. Once the note is open, tap a text box or the text tool to activate the iPad OS text field. This first action ensures Scribble can recognize input. It's the simplest way to begin writing with handwriting recognition in Notability, right away. You now write directly with the pencil in the text field. Scribble converts strokes into typed letters as you go, so write naturally and at a steady pace. Use Scribble gestures for editing, scratch to delete, draw a vertical line to join, or circle to select. These make quick corrections without keyboard taps. If you need multiple lines, tap space or return in the field. This creates text flow. Because Notability uses iPad OS text handling, conversion is faster and keeps formatting consistent. Finish by reviewing converted text. Tap any word to edit with the keyboard or to revert to handwriting if you prefer. If Scribble misrecognizes your letters, retrace them clearly or toggle Scribble off and on in settings to reset recognition. This often fixes glitches. Once satisfied, export your note or use Notability handwriting conversion features for full-page text. If problems persist, restart the iPad and check for iPad OS updates, because software updates frequently resolve recognition issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.